Hello viewers, let's solve these particular questions on the board. So root 5 raised power root p minus root 2 raised power root p. How can you solve these particular questions? Let's multiply both sides by 2 over 2. So at the end of the day, you are going to have root 5 2 over 2 times root p minus root 2 2 over 2 times root p. Only this is equals to 3. So let's see now. Root 5 raised to power of 2. Can pick this to the up one. So this times this, now what do you have there? We can first multiply 2 times that is 2 root p over 2 minus root 2. This times this 2 root p over 2 is equals to 3. So let's see now. These 2 can have this power. So meaning 2 in roots here can cancel. So at the end of the day, having 5 raised to power root p over 2 minus these 2 cancel the square root 2 raised to power root p over 2 is equals to 3. Can you see it now? So also what can you see there is that this we can simplify it as difference of 2 square 5 raised to power root p over 2 minus 2 raised to power root p over 2 is equals to, if you have 5 minus 2 difference of 2 square or 5 plus 2. So if you have something like this, so we have something like that. So 5 minus 3. 5 minus 2 is what? 3. So 5 plus 1. Let me just use this way. Let me use it this way so that it can actually get the same thing. So since 5 minus 2 give us 3. So we have 5 raised to power root p over 2. Compare with this one. This one is 5 raised to power 1. It's equals 5 raised to power 1. The same thing, there is minus minus. 2 raised to power root p over 2 is equals to 2 raised to power 1. So this cancelled, anyone you solve the same. So root p over 2 is equals to 1. Cross multiply 2 times 1, 2. Root p times 1, that is root p is equals to 2. Square both sides. Square both sides. So this cancel this. P is equals, what is 2 squared? That is 4. If you solve the same thing, you have the same answer. So if 2 cancel 2, you still have root p over 2 is equals to 1. So when you cross multiply, you have root p equals to 1. When you square both sides, so you have p is equals to 4. So our answer to this particular questions, p is equals to 4. And please don't forget to follow for more. Thanks.